back in a second. All right, you ready? Ha! All right, back to bear. You ready, bear? You ready, bear? Oh, yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, the bear can run. Oh, yeah, good playful bear. No. Hey, don't kill the ball. Thank you. Bunch of butts. What was that? Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, you ready? Oh, chase the ball, bear. Come on. I got bear to play. That's a good day today. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Oh, thank you, Mr. Bear. Oh, thank you, Mr. Bear. Oh, victory over the ball. Here we go. Are you ready for the ball, Max? Are you ready for the ball? Oh, here we go. How about you, Bones? Huh? Are you ready for the ball? Are you ready for the ball? Oh, what's up? Pew, pew. Missiles. Whoa! There we go. Good job. Look at him run. Atta girl. Hey, Mr. Sneaky Bear. Try to get between my legs there with his big... Okay. I'll get to you. Fake ball. What's that? Chase the fake ball. You ready, Bear? Hiya. Here we go. Can't be too hard for Mr. Bear. Thanks, buddy. One more time. Okay. Hiya. Hiya. Kill. Thanks, buddy. Oh, I know, right? One more. Wow, you see that? Got that on video. Oh, well, there goes that ball. Thanks, buddy. Yep, it's all busted up. Oh. Chase the ball? Hey? You ready to chase the ball? Oh, Mr. Matt. What was that? Oh, okay. Woo! Ooh. I don't know how the fuck she does it. Oh, happy sunshine. Oh, there goes Bear. Kill the ball some more. Oh, he expresses anguish over the ball. Okay, all right. Fake ball. Hiya! You ready, Bear? Hiya. Yeah, it's the only way we can get Bear to chase is to fake out the others. So, oh, Bear. Buddy. What are you doing? You can't. These balls. What do you got to say for yourself? Busting my balls like that? Huh? All right. One more boo. Whoa, the pew. That's where the face wants more than the body can follow. Well, thank you, Koda. Now, Bear, what are you doing? Pressure testing. Mr. Bear, we're going to have to talk about your addiction to tennis balls. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah, boy. Hey? Yeah. Come on. Bring me the ball. Oh, good girl. Who wants the ball? Who's ready for the ball? You ready for the ball? You ready for the ball? Huh? You ready for the ball? Oh my God. You guys are going to be walking funny for a couple of days with all them tumbles. And here comes, yeah, they're done. Then they walk back like that, they're pretty much done. Mr. Sexy Wiggle Bear. Sexy Wiggle Bear. Oh, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, Mr. Max. I know, we're done. We're done. Okay. Let's go to the spa.